So it's Uche here. So like I promised. So today we are going to be making a video. I'm going to be making a video on how to create a website. As you can see, I'm using my mobile phone. So it's kind of a mobile website I'm going to be creating. So this kind of website is basically for clients that doesn't want to spend money buying domain name hosting, and some client that doesn't even uh, hold on, I think I have a message. Okay, so for some client that don't even know what is hosting, and need something simple, something like at least to sell their product, you get. So at least sell some product. So that's okay. Should I give you an example? So to get to that kind of website, what you just do is go over here on Google search, type Google sites. Google site. I'll also make a video on Google My Business, but for now, let's go over Google site. I will explain that later, maybe after this or on the next video. So Google site, you go over here. This Google site. So click on Google site. Now you will notice something here. You notice something here. You can see to create a Google site, you cannot use your phone. You cannot use your phone to create a Google site. So what you can do is that, but we are still going to use our phone to create a Google site. What we're going to do is that we are going to click here. That's this arrow here. Then move down, scroll down, click on this desktop site. Yeah, this desktop site. Click on this desktop site. Click on it. To transfer the form, the structure and everything to something good for website design. So here it is. If you guys can see, I've created a tons of it. These are sites I created. You can see there are a lot of them. Sites I created, Google sites, a lot of them, a lot of them. So this is a okay, let me open Cobiat. This is Cobiat. What I did for Cobiat. It's a beauty brand. She sells beauty products and the rest of them. So I think she had a website before. So somehow I don't know, they this person she that built her website for her, somehow maybe they got an issue or the person built nonsense. So and the person didn't give her the access and everything. So up to now she was not able, because I tried everything I can to help her retrieve the website, but somehow it was giving me stress, and she was like, okay, let's leave it for now. So it's still loading. It's still loading. Oh yeah, okay, fine. So this is it. It's loading very fine. So this is the website. So, and the beauty about this website is they can actually use it to run ad on Facebook. You can use it to run ad on Facebook, though it not there. It not like it was due to the fact I'm using my phone. It will take time to start loading and the rest of them. I'm not saying it depends on the phone you're using. I'm not using my main phone for this actually, so that's why I'm not using my main smartphone for this. I'm using just a other phone just for search for this. So this is how the site is going to look like, and I will paste the link. You guys have seen the link already. I'll paste the link on the group actually for you guys to see, and that's how the site will look like. It is loading, but I'm not going to wait for all these things to start loading for us to start doing our design. So I'm going to switch back. I'm going to switch back. I'm going to switch back. Oh, it's loading, it's loading. This takes time. I have to pause this video. Let me pause. What? I didn't actually pause it, but okay, let's go more. So it's fine for us to start building now. So there's two places to start building. Now if you look up here, you see start a new site, and you also see this arrow up and arrow down. You also see template gallery. Now this template gallery will give you options of some templates, just like a template structure of what's just like when you're building a house. Now once you have the structure of the house, you can start building it. So this gives you a different option. Let's click on it. Shows you other type of structure you can pick for your website. For this one, these are personal portfolio, student profile. For I can start building student website. For you guys are do graphic design. You can try photo portfolio, restaurants. For those that want to do restaurants design, salon. If any of you here those salon, crop, class, and the rest of them. So you cannot pick anyone from here and start building. But for us, of course, should I start from building from the beginning or should I not? Okay, let's start from the beginning. So let's go back. I'm not picking a template. I'm not picking the same. So I'm just going to start a new website. Start a new website. So that's okay. So it has loaded here. So this is what I will see here. This will be my page title, and this is going to be my enter site name. So there are two places you have to edit: this untitled site and enter site name. So what kind of site am I going to build? What kind of site? I'm just going to build a simple something, a simple website. So I'm just going to click on here. Yes. So I'm going to enter my name, Coach. Let's say Coach Uche. Coach Uche Prince. I move this up. Coach Uche Prince. Okay, so the same thing. You can say once I click here, the name already aligns with this one. Okay, so this one. Let's see. Let me see. What can I do here? What can I do here? This class is on how to create a Google site, right? So I delete everything. How to God, when you're using your phone, these are some things you get to face. Wow, 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 wow. How to okay, let's see how to. Why is it doing like this? Are you kidding me? Okay, hold on, let me press that. Let me. Okay, so I decided to delete that because that was giving me a bit of an issue. So in case you are trying to add title to here, but I don't really think there's a need for you to add title to this back diagram. So we are going to start to change an image here. And one thing I like about this is that it's connected to Google, and from here you can actually pick up a nice image instead of searching downloading image or PNG videos and PNG image and the rest of them. So it depends. So if you want to change this background to something nice, of course you can see I've changed this name to site on Google for free. So this is the name I want. I'll just type on change the image. Either upload an image. Either you upload an image or select an image. Do I have a nice image I need to? Okay, let me see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Do I? Do I? Do I? Do I? God, can't believe I'm exposing my. All right. So okay. So we pick from here. Guys, don't thinking twice. That's somebody's six pack. Okay, so select an no, select an image. Yes. So I'm going to select an image from Google. So you can see is that I select from Google Drive or I search on Google. So I prefer searching from Google. What shall I search? No, now what happened? No, 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 no. I'm not changing anything. Okay, so I'll paste this site on Google for free. So let me see what we display. Okay, so you guys can see there's a lot of options. You can take anything. If you do graphic design or anything, you can just type the name there. You can decide. You can just start anything you want. You can just do anything, any nice stuff. You can see there are a bit of option. Which one should I pick now? Which should I pick? Which should I pick? Which should I pick? Which should I pick? So depending on your option, you can decide to pick anyone that's okay with you. Okay, let me go with this. Okay, let me go with this one. Let's select it. Looking good. All right. So I still do this so that I can, just in case you're not seeing what is there, just click here and start showing very well. So in case this picture is dark, there's this star something here. Just click on it and you can see it's bright. So always make sure once you are building and the website is showing you it not is the color there is dark, just click on that star something and it will bring out the real color of it. All right, so that's fine. So what else start adding the text. Yes, so here's our text box. Here's one thing I like about this is that everything is here. You can even start to embed your YouTube channel here, the video button and the rest of them. So I just want something simple so you guys can go ahead design a better one, because on when you're listening to your system you can actually do better. But if you have a better smartphone, like I told you, the smartphone I'm using for this one now, um I don't know, yeah, it's not giving me what I want. The other one I have, I'm using it for something else, not something I can use now. So though I'm still going to do another design on laptop. So just for anyone who want to go ahead and do something better, you can go ahead. So let's go ahead. So test box. Should I use header? What should I use here? Text box. So this is our text box. Yes. So I'm going to add the title of this class. Okay. It's going to be, can see it's not happening, it's not doing that bogus typing it was doing the last time, because here is the main text box. So what should I click here? Okay, let's see, learn how to build websites on Google for free. Yes, so this is fine. Learn how to cook with Google. Wow, it's happening here. Why? What's going on? Ah, hold on. Okay, so I decided to change something else. So, but I need a change in the size of this test. So, okay, so I'm going to use, should I use 18? Not really. 18 is not popping out as I want. Why is this keep doing this? Does it keep doing this? Why? Just tell me why. Ah, gosh. Okay, guys, just go. I will just go on with the class. Anyhow, it just pumps out. I choose popping. Always change this letter to popping. Popping is more better. Always popping. Either I choose popping or Roberto. Popping. Let me choose Roberto. Okay, so normal test. Is it normal test? No, let me use title. This is better. This is better. Okay, this is better. But is the size nice? Is the size nice? Is the size nice? Okay. So can you imagine this thing just doing? So this is this. So let's just in case you are building your own with your laptop or whatever you're building it, so just ignore this because of time. Let's just move on. So this is my title: learn how to build a website for a client. Then my next page, why is this again? My next page, and why is this again? Okay, I'm likely to put. Well, this is just a simple site I'm building for any of you that want to build more something professional. Just follow the example. But if you are building your own, maybe I'm going to do a little bit video of a sketch of how I build how I build a website. Just pick the image where the header will be, whether there should be a carousel shape or something, or there. Okay, there should be a carousel here. I think I just remember myself. No, there should be a carousel here, at least where image carousel will be, so like guys will see some samples of design I've done. Not only samples, at least image of a website. So learn how to learn how to build and build a client 15 to 30K for a simple website built on Google. That's fine. So an image should follow up. This is nice. So this is when this comes up. Image carousel. Yeah, so image carousel should follow up. So I'm asked to add my images. So select an image. Let's select an image. So it's same thing we did. I'm not going to because I don't have any. I've not taken any picture yet. I've not taken any picture yet. So Google Images, what I'm using. Google Images. What am I going to search? Um, Google Sites. Google Sites landing pages. Okay, yeah. So Google site landing page. Let me use this one. Google site landing pages. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. You guys can see there are a lot of design you can actually do with this Google site. A lot of amazing things that I have a design done by one of my guys who know him now. Bajimo is the he do upload job that in the other groups. Some of you that will be there. A website he did. You can't even because I was the one that showed him the idea of building. I just showed him the idea of the building Google sites, a site on Google. So he picked on it and developed more on it. Me, I'm not that focused on building this site. I'm just building it for a client who wants to build who just wants because you can't be charging. You can't know, but if you do a better design, you can be charging. I think nothing less than maybe 20K 30K of design of it. But I just love the beauty of WordPress, what it gives me and the rest of them. So which one should I pick? Now let me pick a template from here. So okay, let me pick this. Okay, so selected. Okay, I still have option to select 2, 3. Should I select more? should I select more? Okay, what is then 4? So once I've settled that, click on insert. Once my insert is done, and just click on insert. All right, so our corrosive images are here. So I want it to cover all the spaces, so I would like it to be like this. So you see that on somebody body, I have not yet, you can remember at the right top of your hand you will see publish. This site is not published online yet, but each time in case my phone ups and everything, it still saved in my Google. Now one thing, for you to have this website, you need a Gmail account. It does not need, you need a Gmail account for this to work. You need a Gmail account. You can see I'm logging with my Gmail account here. So what's next? I need a button straight to WhatsApp. So for example, now learn how to build a website for Google. Learn how to build a client 15 to 20k for a simple website. I'm showing you the image. Okay, did I need another class? Is okay, I need a text box class hold on WhatsApp. Okay, yes. So it's simple. So need another text box. Okay, so this is where you guys will know what to do when you have seen my images. I use free class on WhatsApp. Okay, so free class on WhatsApp. Okay, so free class on WhatsApp. This is supposed to be in the middle. Okay, yes. So which should I pick for it to be in the middle? Okay, yeah, this is it. So it should be in the middle. So in case I want the test to come to middle, I use this icon. So free class on WhatsApp, you guys can see it is working. Do I need it? I need it more. Did I delete this? Did I? Oh my god. So once you delete something like this, go up here, go back here, click on this arrow back. I'm clicking on it and it's back. So this is the beauty of it. I'm not going to click delete this, so I'll click on this pencil icon again. So what size should I use? What size? You can see the drama is happening again. Just ignore it and focus on what I'm doing. So should I pick 30? Okay, so 30, no, let me use heading. Okay, so this is nice. I think I should have used heading here instead of this title. Let me click back here because I don't like the way this one is looking. So if you are seeing this is not how it's going to look like. You just the phone I'm using right now to do this design. So this is better, looking nice. So that's fine, that's fantastic. It wasn't very fine here. So what's next here? I need you guys to click on a button, free class on WhatsApp. I need you guys to click on a button to get to my WhatsApp, and that button, guys, there's a button here. So I click on, is that right? I click on, okay, I click on button, click on button, okay, click here, click to join now. So this will be my WhatsApp link. Or let me just put my website link. Okay, I might use my website link for where you guys to access it. nerystore.com.ng. The nerystore.com.ng, so it's fine. What is this doing? Oh gosh. It's supposed to be moving very fine now. Okay, so that's fine. The class is almost done. Just a simple design on WhatsApp. I'm not doing it for my class, the class I'm going to hold anyway. I'm going to structure this very well. Then maybe run ad on this. This is just simple. It's just simple. People don't need. I don't need all this one. You are building. You want to occupy the whole space, build that. That's not really. People want something simple and just to the task. Something like this is much more easier. You can do that. You can apply for your design and the rest of them, or you can go ahead, pick up a design, pick up a template that is there, and start doing it. Though this thing is supposed to come down, so in case you are using your phone and it didn't come down, then that means you have to use a laptop to just move it down. Or if you're using a better smartphone, um, the one I'm using now, I cannot. I don't want to use it to do this design now. I just want this one. So this is just a sample for you guys. So you can go ahead exploit anyway, because in case you want to add form, you want to collect form to it, you can click on form here. If you want to collect people's email address and you can click on form to connect your Google form to it once and for all. You can see to connect your Google form to it. It's loading forms. It's loading form, but this might not really work. Okay, I've already. If you know how to create a Google form, you will use this. But for me, I've already created a Google form from here. Maybe I'll teach on how to create a Google form later on. I've already created a Google form already, so I can just pick on any template I want here. But for now, I'm okay with this button. So once somebody click on it, they are fine. Alright, so once your site is done like that, what you do is just go here, this publish. Once you're done with designing your website, click on publish. I'm okay with this name. I'll have used something like site on Google. Build a free site. Okay, then with Google. Okay, what contains, then contains forbidden. Okay, build a free site. There's Google. They don't want you to use their name, so they don't want you to start castigating against them. So now, once you get here, this is very important. Once you get here, look at here. Who can view my site? Anyone. Abi. Now, in case on your own site you come here and you see it's private, what you just do is to click on. What you just do is click on who can view my site. But before then, search setting. If you look at here, request public search engine not to display my site. For some of you, once you have built this site, this is the fact that is built with Google is capable of ranking. If you have your content ranked very very well, it's capable of ranking on Google very well. But if you click on this, if you mark this, it will not rank on Google. So back to here, who can view my site? Click on manage. It's loading. This is in case your own is not showing to anyone. Your own you can be showing private. So once it shows, it's load very well. You can see
um here is where links varies. Share with people. Okay, so you will see, okay, this is where you see where you whether your site is public or not. So just click on this change. Click on this change. So once you click on this change, I don't know why it's doing delaying now. So once you click on this change, it will pop out your private and the rest of them. Then you cannot change it. But for now, let's go ahead and okay. So I'm changing the name. Build a post site with free tools. So click on publish. Hold on, and our website is live. So I just click on view. You guys will see the website and how it look like. If I send you the link, see the website and how it look like. Okay, so in case it didn't open on your phone, just you can see this link option above after the laptop and after um the the person with the plus icon on it. Just click on this link. Publish website. You can see I have the link already. So I copied my link. Let's say okay, let's say I want to open this. So I copy my link and I come over here. Let's say I want to use the Ignitor tab. So I come here, paste my link, then open it. These are live. You guys can see that our website is live. So you can go ahead, don't mind what is happening. You can go ahead, design your own. You can see our carousel is working fine. So it's why it's like this is because I kind of the images I did a bit of lengthening of it. That's why it's like this. But you can use your hand, perfect it very far. Though already, this is just because I promised you guys this class. I will have done a perfect one. This is just for you guys to know, for you guys to just play with. This click button is supposed to come down here. You get it's supposed to come down after free class. It's supposed to come down here. Then this, because of the way the site is looking at, it's supposed to change everything. So this is just this. So you can go ahead, click, just be creative, craft out something for yourself. This is Google sites. I make a lot of art. For that, how many sites I've built with Google sites, and some client would not even ask you. You just want something to build a website for me. Use my business, build it, and the rest of them just build, and you get to create something wonderful just by just play around. Designing as a website designer. You have to be creative. Just find a way, play around, look at the internet. All the sites you are seeing on Google site or main website, you can actually use Google sites to do something wonderful. So this is just a start our fresh website. So I'm going to do another video of the complete one using my laptop, then also do another, maybe design another e-commerce website with this one as well. So this is just the class. I know it might not be what you are expected. You expected something more better than this, but due to the fact I'm teaching you guys how to use your phone, that they can actually use your phone to do this. For some of you that says I don't have a laptop, I don't, no. I started my website design class without a laptop. I borrowed laptop, I went to Cybercaf, I was learning. I was learning my phone with everything I can lay my hands on. So don't wait. You are waiting, you are leaving money for people to make money more than you. So this is one of my secrets. I can see I'm sharing guys one of my secrets of how I make money online. You get more of that actually. This is just one of the sites that I've built